What is data? A question that may seem simple, yet holds profound implications for our understanding of the world. Imagine a bustling college campus at the start of a new academic year. Students fill out admission forms providing their names, addresses, and other details. These facts, raw and unprocessed, constitute data. They are collected to maintain records of the students during their study period in the college. Or consider a government conducting a census, gathering information about every citizen in the country. This data, stored permanently, serves a myriad of purposes over time. It helps in planning public services, making informed decisions, and implementing policies that benefit the population. Data isn't confined to numbers and text alone. It can also be symbols, pictures, and more. For instance, think about organizations conducting surveys to gauge public opinion about their products. The responses, ideas, and opinions expressed by the people form a rich tapestry of data. This data then aids these organizations in improving their products, shaping their marketing strategies, and understanding their consumers better. But what does all this mean? Simply put, data is a collection of raw facts and figures. It's an unprocessed, unbiased account of information collected from different sources for various purposes. It's the lifeblood of decision-making processes, the cornerstone of insightful research, and the foundation upon which our digital world is built. To sum up, data is much more than a buzzword in today's digital age. It's the raw facts about students on an admission form, the information collected during a census, and the opinions expressed in a survey. It's the unprocessed information that, when analyzed, can provide meaningful insights and drive informed decisions. It's the fuel that powers our digital world, the underpinning of our understanding, and the key to unlocking unprecedented opportunities. So the next time someone asks, "What is data?" remember, it's not just numbers or text. It's a reflection of the world around us, captured, stored, and analyzed to make sense of the complex tapestry of life.